Hi guys, in this video I am going to teach you Italian pronouns. Are you ready? Okay. Io. Io means I. Io. I. Tu. You. Informal. Tu. You. Informal. Le. You cannot pronounce it as LG, LE or Louis. LE or Louis means he. Ella or lei means she. Le or Louis means he. Ella or lei means she. And then noi. Noi. Noi means we. Voi. You. This is plural. Noi, we, voi, you, plural. Lei. You. Once again see lei. Just like this. Here lei. Lei means you also. So you formal. Lei. You formal. Loro. They. Loro. They. Once again I am repeating. Please listen and you also pronounce. Io. I. Tu. You. This is informal. Le or Louis. So Louis will be often used. Okay. But you can use both. Le or Louis. He. Ella or lei. She. Noi. We. Voi. You. This is plural. Lei. You. This is formal. Formal singular. Loro means they. So these are all Italian pronouns. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please study repeatedly so that you can remember all these pronouns. Thank you very much for watching this my video.